In this video, we are looking at one more log, which is a developer trace log, which is useful for cybersecurity risks. So this log has to be monitored frequently, and then you have to have some kind of tool which can take this log and then analyze the errors. Okay, so if we go to ST11, transaction ST11, yeah, the developer trace. So these all the work processes. Okay, so each and every work process logs are basically recorded. So I can go to any log, click on the log, and I can see all the messages which are in the log. Okay, so I can each and every log, every data is recorded. Okay, we also have logs for RFC connections. Also have logs for all the old logs are archived, and also profile logs, right? So these are different logs available. Okay, so default profile log, let's say look at that. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download free cybersecurity tool. Thank you.